to the Chip Show, folks. It's gonna be like I think part 3 pond cleanup, and I think yeah, part 3 of the pond cleanup. So Omar finally got his dozer over here, and he pushed the dirt down through here and got me a little bit of a pile of dirt, and that dirt is gonna go in the spillway. I'm gonna start shuttling this dirt over and get me a pile, and then start bringing all them from the laydown yard job. I'm gonna take all them rocks, those big sandstone, unless you know, they're aesthetically pleasing, bring them down here and stage them somewhere out of the way. Once I get the dirt up to where I want it, use the transit, get the spillway up to where I want it, I'll start placing them and there's old Marv there. I'll start placing them sandstone down through there to try to help keep it from eroding out. So enjoy. I think that's got most of the rock that I'm going to take down there for now. Still got some to pick from, but I left some of, or actually most of the flat, bigger ones. And they're clearing out around the other side of the pond. So I'm going to take this thing down there and start plucking some of them trees up that they're getting cut out of there. Cut in, trying to clean the brush up. He's over there wearing that out. That was a big tree to take down. Luckily it came down all right. So. So we're gonna try to take all this dirt down, starting at that tree, take it down, push it all the way around. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
It's stuck. Too big a hole, not enough dozer.
That's all right. We'll figure it out. Ow, that's hot.
Yeah, we're just going to have to get some of that dirt out from behind it there and try to get some up under the front. I believe we'll be all right.
Let me dig some out while it's resting still. So somewhere along the lines, I set the intervals for the time lapse on my GoPro to 1 second versus half a second, and that speeds everything up. So throughout this whole video, every time lapse is super fast, and that's why I can't really do much about it on editing. If I slow it down, it just don't look right. So bear with me. Hopefully the next video that comes out, I'll have it fixed. This is where we've made it to. It's hard to tell, but we've cleared out all the way across here now, and you can pretty much, we've raised the level up yet again, so that is awesome. So what I'm doing here now is I've got the transit set up, and look at that, look at the drop. I'm actually going to find out where the top of the spillway is. I'm going to set it on that as a 0, and then go around here and find out where find out where the low spots are, where the water's going to be at, according to this. So
Good, Daddy.
So there ain't no need in figuring out how high that is, because that's a foot below surface right there. So I could raise that up another foot probably. So that being said, I am at, if I can raise it up, lady, that's my marker. I don't know if you can see me there, but that's got it this is the lowest point, so some of that dirt can be pushed around there over to here.
Daddy, fun.
And I'm going to, I'll probably throw this over there, get another 0, add 12 inches to it, so that way I know when I get to a foot higher, because I'm about to move all this. So yeah, that's got me. I'm gonna raise that up another foot with this dirt that Marvin pushed over, and then stack those rocks on it, and I should have it close to the edge right here, and that should get it real close to filled up. so we got some better dirt in here now, and then got a funnel for it to come out. We had the transit set up. I just checked it. I don't know if it caught me on time lapse or not. These rocks are lower than the dam. So if this fills up, or if this holds, first of all, and then if this fills up because there's too much rainwater, it'll actually flow over both sides of this before it goes over the dam. So from about right in there, all the way up into here somewhere is where it can flow out. So there's that. That side of the dam is higher according to the transit. We're gonna let it dry up a little bit, let this water level come up and see what we need to adjust there. Big stump that you seen old Marv having trouble with, got stuck down in the hole. Instead of fighting and dragging it out, we chopped up the firewood, or cut up the firewood there. Then we rolled that stump out over here. I did my best to clean up down here around the edge. We can keep pulling some of this dirt out and lowering this side, but we have like a little peninsula, if you will. So once the water's filled up, it should be up in here. You'll be able to stand out here and you can cast down that way. About touch the other side of the pond. Have a little hole here. Nice little spot. Ended up taking out a few more trees. Big brush pile back there. But that's how much dirt we've moved. See, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, that's quite a bit of dirt. And we've moved that and pushed it all the way across this dam. Filled in the spillway. So, yeah. Appreciate y'all watching the Chelton Show, and we'll do another video when we start touching it up and it starts getting closer to filled up. Catch you on the next one. God bless.